Well, hello. It's the end of the day. It's the last run of the day. Thought I'd bring you with me for just a little bit of reaction. See if I can untangle my gloves from my earbuds. Blackfish Lightning. She's enjoying this crunchy tree stuff. I hope you are too. Oh, that was probably my pass. See if we can make it through here. Woo! It's all right. Oh yeah, she remembered how to ride. Then she forgot again. I like to flip my edge in these trees, but I forget that I could. Because Blackfish Lightning, she a little shorter than my huckleberry. She does trees all right now that I got her set up. All right, that's a good place to stop for a minute and remind you to like and subscribe, and also look at that sunshine. Don't forget to get some on you. Stay curious, courageous, fit and free. Ciao for now. See ya next time. Peace.